Welcome to our Exness tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to submit your partner change application. To begin, click the chat icon on the Exness website, or your personal area to access the Exness assistant. If using Exness Trade, open the Profile tab, scroll down and tap on Live Chat to access the Exness assistant. Type Change Partner in the search bar. The bot will provide you a link to initiate this process. Click or tap the link to open the application form. With a web browser, you may be prompted to log in if you are not already logged into your personal area. Once done, a partner change form will be displayed. Select the reason for the change partner request from the dropdown, and enter the partner link provided by the partner, or your account manager. Optionally, complete the rest of the form, then hit Submit. Your application will now be reviewed by our specialists who will process the partner change, if accepted. Tracking your application will be available to review. For any questions, you can get in touch with your account manager. Thank you for choosing Exness.